Hello students. Now today we discuss the differential equation. In a differential equation, we first discuss the definition, order and degree of a differential equation. The general and particular solution. The general and particular solution of a differential equation. The general and a particular solution of a differential equation and the formation of differential equation whose general solution is given. The formation of differential equation whose general solution is given and the solution of differential equation by method of representing separation of variables, homogeneous differential equation of the first order and first degree. Clear? Show the linear differential equation. Now we discuss again in the chapter of differential equation. We will discuss the definition of differential equation, order of differential equation, degree of differential equation, and the general and particular solution of a differential equation. Formation of differential equation whose general solution are given and the solution of differential equation by method of separating variables and homogeneous differential equation of first order and first degree. Clear? Now, before studying the differential equation, we know the few things, the basic concept of differentiation or the basic concept of dependent and independent variables and parameters are constant. Before studying the differential equation, we know the few concepts like the dependent and independent variables and parameters are constant. The concept of differentiation and different method of differentiation. The concept of differentiation and the different method of differentiation, and otherwise the concept of integration and the different method of integration are also known before studying the differential equation. Before studying the differential equation, we know something like the differentiation and different method of differentiation, integration and different method of integration, dependent, independent, parameter or constant. the general solution, the general equation of simple curve, the general equation of a simple curve like the circle, parabola and ellipse, like the general equation of simple curve like circle, parabola and ellipse. Clear? Now we know the differential equation. We know the differential equation. The differential equation as the equation involving the independent variables. Thus the equation involving the independent variable x and dependent variable y and dependent variable y and the differential coefficient dy by dx, differential coefficient dy by dx and d2y dy by dx and d2y upon dx square dash 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 dy by dx and d2y upon dx square is called a differential equation. Now, an equation involving the independent variable x and the dependent variable y and the differential coefficient dy by dx, d2y upon dx square, d3y upon dx square, dx cube, dash 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 are called the differential equation, are called a differential equation. Now, we shall study in the differential equation degree, order and coefficient of the differential equation, then the verification of solution, and formation of differential equation. Now, this is the way to find order, degree and verification of solution and the formation of differential equation. Now, the ordinary and partial differential equation, the differential equation which involve only one independent variable, the differential equation which involve only one independent variable are called ordinary differential equation, and the differential equation which involve two or more independent variable are called
partial differential equation are called partial differential equation. Now, the one independent variable involving in the differential equation are called ordinary differential equation, and two or more different independent variable are involving in the differential equation. That differential equation are called partial differential equation. That differential equation are called partial differential equation. Now the order and degree of a differential equation. Order. Now we discuss about the order. Thus, the order of differential equation is the order of the highest derivative. Highest order of derivative. Order of differential equation is the highest order derivative of a differential equation. उस differential equation का highest order derivative. Thus, of the unknown function occurring in the differential equation. For example, d2 y upon dx square plus 4y equal to e power x d2y upon dx square plus 4y equal to e power x. Then the order of this differential equation is 2. Why? Because the highest order derivative of this differential equation, is 2. So the order of differential equation is 2. Clear? Next, degree. The degree of a differential equation x square d2y upon dx square plus x square d2y upon dx square plus x dy by dx, x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. The degree of a differential equation, is the degree of the highest order derivative. Degree of the highest order derivative. Now, the degree of a differential equation of the highest order derivative according in the equation according to the equation, find the degree of the given differential equation. Find the degree of the given differential equation. So the degree of the highest order derivative in this equation d2y upon dx square is the highest order of the differential equation. So the power of highest order derivative is 1. The power of highest order derivative is 1. So the degree of this differential equation is 1. So the degree of differential equation is 1 and order is 2. The differential equation have degree 1 and order 2. Clear? Next. Now we discuss the exercise first of differential equation. In this exercise, determine the order and degree of differential equation d4y upon dx power 4. Question number first, d4 y upon dx power 4 plus sine y triple dash equal to y triple dash equal to 0. Find the order and degree of this differential equation. Now, the order is the highest power of derivative. Order is the highest power of derivative, and the highest power of derivative is 4. Highest power of derivative is 4. So the order of this differential equation is 4, and the degree is not defined. Why? Because degree is not defined because this differential equation is not a polynomial. This differential equation is not a polynomial. So the degree of differential equation is not defined. When the degree of differential equation is defined, then the differential equation being a polynomial. Differential equation being a polynomial. So the order is 4 and degree not defined. Given the reason, the given reason is the differential equation is not a polynomial equation. Differential equation is not a polynomial equation. So polynomial equation in its derivative, given the differential equation is not a polynomial equation in its derivative, so the degree is not defined. Degree is defined only the polynomial differential equation. Clear? Next question. Question number 5. d2y upon dx square, d2y upon dx square equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. Cos 3x plus sin 3x. The order of differential equation is the highest order derivative. The highest order derivative is d2y upon dx square. Highest order derivative of the given differential equation is d2y upon dx square. So the order of this equation is 2. The order of this equation, the order is 2, and the degree of the highest order derivative and the degree of the highest order of derivative is 1. So the degree of this equation is 1. Why? Because the differential equation is a polynomial. The differential equation is a polynomial differential equation. So we find the degree when the equation is in polynomial. We find the degree, the equation is in polynomial, so the degree is 1. Clear? Okay. And next question. Question number 10. Y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y equal to 0. Y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y equal to 0. The order of differential equation is 2 because the highest order derivative of this differential equation is 2. So the order is 2. And find the degree, and the degree of highest order derivative is 1. Highest order derivative is 1. So the degree is 1. Clear? Okay. Thank you.